So, are you ready to step into the future of technology right now? We're about to explore products that seamlessly blend style, functionality, and groundbreaking innovation, challenging your perceptions of what's possible with tech. We're referring to the Nothing Ear A and the CMF Watch Pro 2. Two devices that are revolutionizing fields of audio and wearable technology. Let's get started. First on the agenda is the Nothing Ear A. This represents the next level in premium audio, and trust me, it has everything you need to elevate your music experience. Alright, let's unbox this. As you open the box, the first thing that stands out is the sleek, minimalist design that Nothing is famous for. Naturally, you'll find the earbuds inside, but let's also check out what else is included. Ear tips in 3 sizes, small, medium, large, to ensure you find the perfect fit, a Type-C charging cable, and a quick user guide. It's all simple, clean, and straightforward to get started. Nothing's characteristic transparent aesthetic gets a stylish update with the Ear A. It features an intriguing raised bubble design that lends it a unique, futuristic flair. The casing is reminiscent of pill packets, making it compact and easy to slip into your pocket. Weighing just 49.2 grams in total, the earbuds themselves are a mere 4.8 grams each, making them incredibly lightweight. However, it's not just about the aesthetics. Equipped with LDAC technology for high-fidelity wireless audio and an impressive 45 decibel active noise cancellation, you're set to experience rich and clear sound, regardless of your surroundings. Whether you're in a tranquil space or navigating the hustle and bustle of the city, these earbuds promise a top-tier listening experience. When it comes to sound, the Ear A is driven by an 11mm dynamic driver that produces clear highs, vibrant mids, and deep, punchy bass. Additionally, an advanced bass-enhanced algorithm boosts the lower frequencies in real time, ensuring that every bass-heavy track is immersive. For those who crave audiophile-level sound quality, you'll appreciate that these earbuds are high-res audio certified, offering playback up to 24-bit 96 kHz. This means you'll enjoy music as the artist envisioned it. For dedicated music enthusiasts, this upgrade is likely essential. Designed for extended listening, the Ear A offers up to 9.5 hours of play on a single charge, with a total of over 42.5 hours of playtime using the charging case, making them perfect for a full day. Plus, thanks to adaptive ANC technology, they automatically adjust to the sounds around you, providing the optimal listening experience wherever you are. Now, let's explore the CMF Watch Pro 2. A wearable that fuses state-of-the-art technology with a chic design, ideal for anyone aiming to stay connected, monitor their health, and still look fashionable. Inside the box, you'll find the watch, a user manual, and the charging cable. But let's focus on the watch itself. The CMF Watch Pro 2 boasts a sleek aluminum alloy body that offers both durability and lightness. Its 1.32-inch AMOLED screen delivers sharp visuals with vibrant colors, whether you're outdoors under the sun or inside a dimly lit room. With more than 100 customizable watch faces, including dynamic and interactive designs, you can tailor the watch to match your personal style or your mood for the day. The Watch Pro 2 goes beyond appearances. It serves as your comprehensive health companion. It tracks everything from heart rates and sleep quality to SpO2 and stress levels. Moreover, it assists in managing your menstrual cycle with intelligent prompts and predictions. The real convenience shines when you start exercising. With 120 sports modes, including smart auto recognition for activities like running, cycling, and walking, you don't need to manually activate tracking. The watch does that for you. The multi-system GPS guarantees precise tracking of your location no matter where you venture. For fitness enthusiasts, the Watch Pro 2 offers sophisticated metrics like aerobic and anaerobic effectiveness, training load and recovery time. It synchronizes effortlessly with fitness apps like Strava and Google Health, allowing you to monitor your progress over time. And for the everyday user, there's the Active Score, which evaluates your physical activity based on heart rate data over the past week. Aim for 100 each week to boost your well-being. The CMF Watch Pro 2 includes many thoughtful features designed to simplify your life. It offers Bluetooth calling with AI noise reduction, enabling you to take calls on the move without interference from background noise. With a typical use duration of up to 11 days, the Watch Pro 2 can manage a busy week filled with calls, workouts, and health monitoring. Even during intensive usage, like GPS tracking or continuous calling, you can count on 17.4 hours of Bluetooth call time or 25 hours of GPS functionality. That's impressive endurance for a smartwatch. In case you missed it, we've got some amazing deals happening right now, starting with Black Friday and going into the Christmas season. First up, our Black Friday deals are still live. You can grab the Nothing Ear A for just $77, originally priced at $99, plus an extra 5% off using this code. And don't forget about the CMF Watch Pro 2. It's down to $55 from $69, and you'll get another 5% off with this code. And for those of you who are looking for gifts, the Christmas deals are already here, just in time for the holidays. Now, the Nothing Ear A is still available for $77, and the CMF Watch Pro 2 is just $58. Plus, you still get 5% off each with the promo codes I mentioned earlier. These offers are available from December 9th to December 22nd for the Christmas sale, but the promo codes are valid until December 31st, so don't wait too long. Check out the product links in the description below for more info. So, what's the verdict? Both the Nothing Ear A and the CMF Watch Pro 2 present a combination of performance, style, and innovation that sets them apart in a crowded landscape. Whether you're a music fanatic seeking exceptional sound quality or someone in need of a fashionable, feature-rich smartwatch for health tracking and connectivity, these devices are crafted to make your life easier, more enjoyable, and decidedly more tech-savvy. Which one do you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tech reviews coming soon.